Hello friends, today's topic, don't get trapped by buying these three stocks. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society. In the last 1 year, many public sector units have given fantastic results. I mean PSU. This was mainly due to the improving business performance and also because public sector stocks had underperformed the overall market for a few years before that. Generally, in the long term, not many PSU stocks have given good results to shareholders. So, the long-term track record is likely to continue. Many new investors who have not studied history of stocks, especially PSU, may learn some hard lessons in future. However, it looks like there is another big trap for retail investors in connection to particular PSU stocks. Following are the details. Now, look at the graph of ITI Limited from 14th August 113, now 18th October 290, like a straight line it is going up. ITI last 5 years financials in front of you. Only I am going to focus on the net profits. March 2019, 93 crores. March 2020, 147 crores. March 2021, 11 crores. March 2022, 120 crores. March 2023, minus 360 crores. And in spite of it, it has more than doubled. Now coming to HMT stocks, again in front of you, you see graph, 22nd September, it was 36 and 18th October, 66, almost very close to double. Now HMT, last 5 years financials, March 2019, 155 crores, net profit. March 2020, 156 crores. March 2021, minus 110 crores. March 2022, plus 533 crores. And March 2023, minus 123 crores. Again, very important to have caution. Here is an announcement regarding free webinar. Topic, how to create massive passive income from stock markets. Sunday, 22nd October from 10 a.m. to 12:15 noon. Dr. Bharath Chandra graduates need not attend and the seats are limited to the first 150 entirely on first come first basis, and large number of people have been asking and looking for this particular webinar for a long time. What will you learn in this webinar? Understanding the profitability of the stock markets, how to design pension income, how to make children education and marriage free, and how to create huge wealth for retirement. How to register is very simple. Send an email to successdigest@gmail.com with email subject stock market webinar with name and mobile number. Now coming to one more stock in this list, KIL Limited. That means Kudremukh Iron Ore Company. And then 24 July 191, 18th October 436, and a word of caution and red flag. Now KIOCL last 5 years, March 2019, net profit 112 crores. March 2020, net profit 43 crores. March 2021, 301. March 2022, 313, and March 2023, minus 98 crores. As you can see, all the three companies are not doing well. In fact, for the year 2022-23, all three companies reported a loss. Even the quarter results are not good. However, the shares are doubled in just 1 to 2 months. The main reason for this is not only limited shares are available for trading, since government institutions hold almost entire stake in this company. Now, shareholding pattern. Government, ITI 99.3, HMT 99.3, and KIOCL 99.03. And FIIs and DIs have hardly any shares. Public, ITI 0.7%, HMT 0.7%, and KIOCL 0.84%. So this is called share cornering, where a set of investors with large capital keep buying shares to artificially inflate prices, and finally when the retail investors get attracted with the stock, they start selling to innocent retail investors, and these investors get stuck. In such PSU stocks whose fundamentals are very weak, they may be permanently stuck since the stock price is not likely to reach the high levels again. Be careful of such things in stock market and share this information with your contacts too, since this is one of the easiest ways of getting trapped. Now, a small announcement. Video at 8:30 p.m. today on this channel on Nestle ಒಂದು ಶೇರ್ ಇದ್ದವರಿಗೆ 10 ವಿಪ್ರೋ ಕಳಪೆ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಇವತ್ತೇ 3% ಕೆಳಗೆ. Video at 8 p.m. today, Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, 1 minute stock market class on gap up and gap down opening. Please have a look at it and share it to all your friends. And at the end of the video, here is a question. If you think this information is important for all retail investors, type important in the comment section so that everybody will understand. Thank you for watching. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends, and the video is good, press the like button. Thank you and all the best.